welcome. I'm here today at Blackpool Pleasure Beach for the opening weekend. It's my very first time coming to this opening weekend, so I'm really excited back to be back at Pleasure Beach. Of course, home to my #1 coaster, Icon. Very excited to see how that's going to be riding later today. We've got some ride closures in terms of Big One and Nash, because they've got some work going on. But it's really exciting to be here. It was exciting to see, it's good to be back at the first park of the year. Can't believe I'm at a theme park in February, it's wild. Joined by Mr. Ted Trains and Transports once again. First ride of the day is looking to be Icon, to get on my #1 coaster and see how it's riding. It's looking amazing. Can't wait to get on it, to catch you after Icon. So, just got off Icon. Hey, Icon. It was Icon's running great. It's a bit slower because obviously it's fucking freezing, but I'm going to have to edit that. But Icon's running good. Icon's really well. We're going to go over to Skyforce, and I'm not going to spin once because otherwise I'm going to throw up on Skyforce. So that's going to be good. The Spoon's breakfast will come back. We'll catch you. Hiya. You alright, love? We'll catch you after. We just got off a Skyforce. How was it, Reese? Did you get any spins on? I got one whole spin. Did you get any spins?
No, I didn't try.
I got 2 spins.
2 spins.
Two more than you.
I got some dangle action, that was about it. Currently making my way over to Nick Streak, so it's going to be good to get on. What? Terrifying. But it's going to be fun to get on Nick Streak, so we'll catch you after that. Lots going on today, so much. Slight change of plan. Nick Streak's queue's massive, so we got Reese got a little ride on Blue Flyer because he needed the cred, but it's a good little coaster actually, to be fair. Good little family coaster kind of thing. But yeah, we're gonna go do the PBE, which is currently pulling into the station. Have a little ride around the park, and we'll get back to it later. So catch you after PBE. So we got for a nice ride on Derby Racer. It's faster than I think, to be fair. Not really too sure what the plan is next because the rumour has it, Mr. Test and Transport, there's a takeover on Rugrats.
Apparently so.
Rumour has it, but it is also starting to rain, so.
Yeah, I'm worried.
Oh, is it? I am stressed out. So we're gonna go maybe do this log flume takeover. We'll see how that goes. It's gonna be really cold. Oh, what a day! But yeah, we'll catch you after the Rugrats. We might have to squeeze a new ride in between. It's about 20 minutes. So we're gonna make our way over to the Rugrats ride. You'll have a go on the water. Oh, so, did regrettably. It was fine. Had to execute a small wardrobe change because I got pushed through. Currently in coasters, gonna sample the delights and foods from coasters, get some nice shots of Icon, and then catch up the food. Hi, you joined us after lunch at the Coasters restaurant. It was really good. The heat wrap I strongly recommend. And then we had the bright idea to go and ride in Fusion. Andrew?
First half I was like, first actually getting quite good, second half horrific.
So, we've also been joined by Mr. John Speedstone. And then we've also got Matthew. Matthew, how was that ride for you?
That was a good ride on Infusion, but it was still terrible.
Yeah.
There's no saving that ride.
So, it was fine up until the Helix and the Heartlands. So, like, I was like, you know what, it was trying to knock us about a bit, it's not too bad. Then the Helix and the Heartlands came and it was horrific. Like, it's a good coaster and it's certainly got its place here at the park, the layout's fun. But yeah, just brace yourself for that second little bit. We are going to be looking at maybe a Big Dipper next. The weather's it's got quite a big rainy, so not entirely sure what the plan is yet. So we're going to meet up with the rest of the guys here and check out some of the other coasters. Right guys, so that is day one at opening weekend done. We finished the day on Icon. Guys, what do you think?
Good. Very good, yeah.
Yeah. Lee, Icon's been riding. Andrea, what do you think of Icon?
So good. Best in the country.
It's really good. It was so much better than this morning as well. I mean, we had back row, it's dark now. It was pretty spot on.
That was perfect. It's definitely still got that #1 spot for me. Today's just reaffirmed why it's so special. Like, just the entire ride experience. In fact, you don't need inversions to like make a coaster great. And like, as a whole package, amazing. But yeah, that is day one, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.